Greetings, everyone. My name is Andy Ndandengo Simsibi. Welcome to my project report for geology project. That is a geological research given to a student of UNISA doing civil engineering, advanced diploma in civil engineering. The fundamental information that students have learned throughout the module, as well as portion of legislation and occupational health and safety regulations required of them. The assessment of surface technical characteristics with regard to the following is one of the investigations called topographic and climatic data, hydrological description along the alignment, determining possible unfavorable conditions such as soil issues, locating commercial building material or borrow pit, as well as proposing field and testing. A summary of the geological study the student in University of South Africa Advanced Diploma in Civil Engineering, the program, did for a suggested road project given in the report R234. By following occupational health and safety process, pertinent laws and information acquired during this module, the research sought to evaluate surface geotechnical features along the alignment. The following were included in the investigation goals: weather and topographic information, hydrology description, recognition of potential unfavorable conditions, identification of commercial and borrow pit source of material. The findings of geotechnical investigation are summarized as follows: climate and topographic information, the range of temperatures, the direction of the predominant wind and elevation profiles, the slope gradients, and features of the terrain were all determined. Hydrologic description throughout the alignment, flood prone locations, water flow directions, and drainage patterns were noted. Adverse situations that could arise. Soil issues and geological risks that might affect the building of roads evaluated. Proposal for commercial material and borrow pit potential source of commercial materials, as well as appropriate sites for borrow pits located. Tests in the lab and the field were advised in order to evaluate material qualities. The site location and description. It's the Eastern Cape, Coffees Bay, and Kotjeni are the locations of geotechnical study. Coffee Bay is around 250 kilometers north of East London and is part of the region's Wild Coast. Mkotjeni, often referred to as Mkazana, is a tiny settlement close to Coffee Bay on the Eastern Cape's Wild Coast. The Mpashe municipality includes both Coffee Bay and Mkotjeni municipalities. The vegetation, grasslands and savannas are found inland from the shore. Grass and few strangling plants define these regions. Fynbos and succulent. The denser fynbos and succulent can flourish further inland and at higher elevations are more typical of South Africa's Western Cape area. Occupational health and safety. Coffee Bay's unique hydrology is a result of its coastal location and surrounding terrain. Coffee Bay's rainfall patterns are directly related to its hydrology. All year round, the area receives a modest amount of rainfall, with southern summer months, December to February, seeing a significantly wetter season. Coffee Bay is prone to a number of coastal phenomena such as sediment transport and erosion because of its coastal environment. Coffee Bay's water quality must be preserved for the sake of the surrounding residents as well as in the ecology. Sustainable development in the area requires carefully management of freshwater resources and water monitoring. Problem soils. Sandy soils common near the coastline have good drainage but may lack cohesion. Clay soils can be expansive, meaning they shrink as well. Alluvial soils in low-lying areas, river valleys can be fertile for agriculture but may pose challenges for construction. The environmental impact, mortality and population declines. Animals frequently die when they cross highways. In South Africa alone, an estimated 250,000 vertebrates perish on road every day. In conclusion, building a new roads in Coffee Bay is a complex process that needs carefully and considered strategy to take use of the unique possibilities and constraints present in the area. The terrain of Coffee Bay, with its precipitation fluctuations throughout the season. Steep slopes and vulnerability to erosion emphasize that how vital it is to give slope stability and erosion management priority. Measures including appropriate grading, effective drainage system, strategic plant cover, and erosion control techniques must be essential part of the building process to guarantee the durability and safety of roads.